Hello, everyone. Welcome in. And I first want to say I hope you all had a beautiful, blessed Thanksgiving filled with love and laughter and delicious food and all the yummies that we get during that time. And to a very holy, blessed, wonderful Christmas, Hanukkah season, and a Happy New Year. During this time of year, of course, we are exposed to all the delicacies and the sweets and the awesome little splurges that we allow for ourselves during this fun time of celebration. And so I thought I'd come in today and offer your survival kit. How to get through the holidays without gaining 3 to 8 pounds, which they say is the average. Anyway, what this survival kit would include, number one, is of course Arbonne's delicious protein shakes. It's great to have on hand, and I'll tell you why. If you are busy and you don't have time to make a meal, so instead of grabbing something that you know you shouldn't be eating, but just to fill that starvation feel, you could fix yourself a protein shake. Just 2 scoops with 9 ounces of water. Drink it up. You'll be satiated. You'll be happy. You'll have the energy. You'll be okay. Everything will be fine. And you won't be ruining your whole diet for the whole month. Those are awesome to have on hand. Aside from that, I love to use them if I've had a very small lunch, like late morning. Sometimes I eat lunch a little earlier, or I end up having lunch much later. And in between, I don't have a fresh snack ready. These are awesome to just use 1 scoop with about 4 ounces of water, and it just gives you that little bit of something to fill you up and get you through to your next meal without going to the potato chips or the cookies that are sitting on the counter. I know, I do it too. The other thing that this includes is our Energy Fizz Sticks. These are delicious. They come in pomegranate and citrus flavor, just absolutely delicious. And during this time, we also have a gorgeous little tin, which will be reusable after you use the Energy Fizz Sticks, that include pomegranate, citrus, green apple, and strawberry flavors. Delicious. And you just put a packet in your water, keeps your energy up without that rush of caffeine and adrenaline, and then that crash. You do not get that when you use these Energy Fizz Sticks. Aside from that, I hope you've seen my previous posts, and I know I've talked about it before, where a lot of these energy drinks that are on the market are so detrimental to your health. These are pure vitamins and minerals. This is healthy, good, awesome, keeps your sugars balanced, everything's okay, and you just get through the day without that exhaustion or that drop in energy. Fantastic. The third thing I would recommend are our Fit Chews, and I've discussed them before. They are so delicious. They're just a little chew, and they come in chocolate, caramel, or lemon. And a little tip: don't put the whole piece in your mouth, or you'll be told like you have a whole pack of gum in your mouth. They are very chewy. I usually take it in 3 little bites, chew it a bite, a little piece of it, and then take the next bite and the next bite. This will help curb your appetite so that you won't be eating quite so much. It's just easy. They come individually wrapped. You can throw them in your purse. Same thing with the Energy Fizz Sticks. You can just throw a little packet in your purse and have it with you when you need it, and it'll be right there ready. You have those 3 items on your shelves, and you are ready to get through the holidays happy, healthy, energized, feeling great, all those vitamins and minerals, just supplying all that nutrition to your body instead of massive sugars, massive flour, massive, all the stuff that we eat, the rich gravies, the rich foods, the delicious baked goods that everybody makes this time of year, the 1 or 2 extra glasses of champagne or wine. Guilty. So this will help you get through feeling good, help you sleep so that your body isn't feeling such a difference in your diet and stuff that you just don't stay on your own clock time. Those three things, the protein shake, the energy fizz sticks, and the fit chews. Awesome, awesome, awesome. One or all great to have in your pantry so that you have something to fall back on when you're in a rush or you're just feeling that low energy or that starvation while you're at the store and you grab one of those chocolate bars on the counter. This is better for you. So message me, leave a comment. I hope you're all enjoying a magnificent holiday, and I will look forward to talking to you real soon. Thanks for jumping in.